So the third icon on the bottom looks like an addition symbol inside a circle. We just call it the Add tab. That is definitely not the official name, but that's what I call it. So click on that and 7 different boxes pop up. So let's start with check dining availability. It will ask you to select your party size. For those of you traveling with babies or toddlers, you will still need to include them in your party size. So I'm just going to select 2 for this example. So reservations can be made up to 60 days in advance. Please, please, please do make them this far in advance. Popular or new restaurants run out very, very quickly of their reservations. So you can see here that there is a calendar and you can select on the day that you want a dining reservation, and you can search by particular meal, so breakfast, brunch, lunch or dinner, or you can also search by a specific time. So I'm just going to click on dinner, and you will see here that every restaurant that is available, whether that be in the parks, hotels or Disney Springs, will pop up here. So to filter, click on this icon here in the bottom corner that looks a little bit like a torch to me. Here you can filter by location, you can filter by cuisine, and even more different things here. So you can do lots of different filtering. So for this example, I'm going to select Magic Kingdom and apply. So dinner reservations in, there's a Cinderella's Royal Table. That one goes pretty quickly. So you can alter the times here at the top if you want to see if any other times come up. So if you would prefer to do that than just the dinner selection, you can do that up at the top and it will refresh. But you can see all the available restaurants for dinner times at the Magic Kingdom. Okay, so I will just click on Be Our Guest. Yeah. Okay. So the Be Our Guest restaurant, when you click on the restaurant, it will give you this page that explains to you everything about that restaurant. So it'll give you a little description of it. It will explain what type of cuisine it is, what type of dining experience it is, when their lunch times are, when their dinner times are, or breakfast if that's the case also, how much roughly it is. You can find it on the map. If you click on there, you can see exactly where it is. You can get directions if you're in the park and you're completely lost. You can also view the menu. So you can see there the prices in real time. You can see exactly what they're offering currently and decide whether that's right for you. So if I want to go ahead and book, I would click on the time. So if I clicked on 8:40, and then you would go through booking it, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so if we go back to this Add tab, and we'll go in the second box now, which is order food. So if you click on here to mobile order food using the card that's linked on this app. So if you want to use this, you need to put a card on file here in the app. So there's 2 tabs at the top, and it's as soon as possible or schedule for later. So I'm just going to put schedule for later for now. And you can filter this by areas. So you might want to do Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney's Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, Disney Springs, Blizzard Beach, Typhoon Lagoon, and then there's all the resorts there too. So you can, even if you're not staying on site, you can go eat at all the amazing restaurants on property, not just in the parks. So let's just choose Animal Kingdom. Oops, let's go back. 1 minute. There we go. Okay. So you can see here, it'll come up with all the restaurants in Animal Kingdom that offer mobile food order. And these little, this is a new feature, these little circles with the picture. If you click on them, it will show you images of the food or of the restaurant. So you can have like a sneak peek of some of the things that are available at that restaurant. My personal opinion, I absolutely love Satuli Canteen. It's probably the best, in my opinion, quick service restaurant in Walt Disney World. So if you click on Satuli Canteen, just like Be Our Guest, you can look at the menu and look at all that information that was there when you also book a reservation. So you can view menu, order food, get directions, find on maps. So let me just go back to that page. Oh, and it's taken me straight back there. 1 second, sorry about this. Right, Satuli Canteen. And say I want to pick up my food between 12 and 12:15. And I click on this. Okay, here it will show you exactly what's on the menu. So you can go through the menu, see all the delicious things that you can eat, all the kids' meals. So the kids' Disney check meals are the more healthier options. And then there's the other kids' meals that are not so as healthy as the check ones. And then desserts and drinks. And all you would do is you would select exactly what you want to order. So if I just go back up to this top, I'm just going to make this really simple. So I'm going to do the Ocean Moon Bowl. We're going to do one of those and we're going to add it. And then let's do the mousse and add that. And then I want a drink, and let's have the Pandoran Sunrise, and we're going to add that. And then basically what you're going to do is you're going to review your order. So review your order, and then eventually it'll take you through and you can pay for that using the card on file. And then when 12 o'clock hits, because that's the time slot that I chose, I would head over to Satuli Canteen, go back in the app, and there's a button that you can click to let them know that you're here and you're ready, and then it will tell you in the app when to go up to the window and collect. So it's really, really simple. Okay, let's go back to, yes, please, I would like to leave the ad tab. Okay, so the next one is merchandise mobile checkout. So if we just click on this, so several stores in Disney allow you to use this app to buy items rather than go to the tiled cash register. So you enter the store and there'll be like a little area with clear plastic bags. You open the app, click on the store. So if you're in the Emporium, you would click on that. In Magic Kingdom, you scan the items in the store and put them in the bag, the clear plastic bag. You check out on the app, you pay for it, and then a cast member will check everything on the, like, check your app that you've paid for it on the way out. When you go and it's a really busy time, some of those lines inside the stores to pay for items are huge and it takes forever. So this is really handy, specifically like for the Emporium, which is a really busy store. So that is that one. So let's go back to this tab. So Shop Memory Maker. If you're traveling from the UK, I've said this in previous videos, most ticket packages include the Memory Maker for free. So check your package. If not, if you click here, you can purchase the Memory Maker here. So the next box down is buy, let me go back that way. Buy tickets and passes. So you click here if you would like to buy tickets or passes directly from Disney. So we visited Disney many times from the UK and from within the USA when we lived there. UK residents, in our opinion, get better deals. So do check them out with Disney because sometimes they do have some really good deals. Underneath that, there's something called Make or Modify Theme Park Reservations. So when Disney reopened during the pandemic on July 11th, 2020, we were actually there on that day. We went for reopening day, which was quite the experience. They introduced theme park reservations as a way to control the amount of people going into the parks. So if you are visiting the theme parks from now until January the 8th, 2024, you will need to make a theme park reservation, even if you have a valid ticket. So if you're visiting after this date, you do not. So here is the links where you would make theme park reservations if you're going before before January 9th, essentially. So the last box here is View My Genie Day and Tip Board. That's all about the Genie service, whether that be the free service or whether you purchase the Genie Plus service and use the tip board to help you make Lightning Lane selections. And we have made a more detailed video about that. So if you check out that video to explain all about Disney Genie and Disney Genie Plus. Okay, thank you. Bye.